Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have water boiling at altitude and it decreases by 3 degrees Celsius for every 1,000 meters ascended. Find the decrease in boiling temperature in different units for each 1,000 meter rise in altitude. Keyword decrease in boiling temperature. So it's another rate of change. We want to find it in Kelvin, Fahrenheit, Rankine. There is no free body diagram. We skip the draw the free body diagram, FBD. Step 2, list all the given values and find the unknowns. So 3 degrees Celsius. We got Kelvin, Fahrenheit, and Rankine. That's what we're trying to find. For Kelvin, degrees Celsius and Kelvin is the same, so there is no change because it's the same rate, so it just becomes 3 Kelvin. For Fahrenheit, it uses a conversion factor, so the change in Fahrenheit is degrees Celsius multiplied by 1.8. That gives us 5.4 degrees Fahrenheit. And for the change in Rankine for the boiling point is the same as Fahrenheit, so it remains 5.4 Rankine. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using the snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used it before, you can follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, type in your Windows search snipping tool. Click on the icon and then click on the video option. Click on new. Left click, drag the rectangle onto your YouTube screen. This is just an example. Click the snipping tool start button. Wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube. Let it finish. Then hit the red square and snipping tool to stop recording. Then save your video. So if you've got questions, comments, or find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like and subscribe. Hope you guys had a great day. Ring the bell, turn on all notifications. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.